My windows are here. Crazy, it took 3 days. Getting my windows. I'll show you once we're done unloading. Yeah. Here they are. These are the upstairs windows. So they're gonna replace this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. They're so nice. Very exciting. And then these are the downstairs windows right here. Super exciting. So we got some lumber. We're getting ready to put these in. I'm excited, I'm stoked. I'm excited to put something in instead of taking something out. We're all set up. Got the chop saw set up. Got the windows. We're ready for some patching and some doing the window frames. It's gonna be good. Also took the floor off yesterday. So now it's a clean slate. So I'll get to put a new floor down here. Yay, progress. Good morning. Today we are working on the windows. So we're gonna start doing something. I think either the plywood or framing the inside of the windows. I don't know yet. I'm excited. Something's happening today that's not demo, so yay. So to start, we're going to take this window and retrofit it to this hole right here and see how we're going to proceed with everything. So this is window number 1. Here's a little progress. So he's got the one piece here, one piece there. It's looking good. Look at that. This was really, really hard because nothing is straight in this boat, so yeah, that looks good. Good job, Scott. So smart, so freaking smart. Now we're on to this window. So hopefully today we're gonna finish this window, and then we can just put the plywood on top of everything, and then that'll be awesome. All right, another window framed. So now we have the 1 and a 2. Let's go inside and check it out. Second window, looks nice. It looks good. So we're gonna do here, and then we're gonna start doing the plywood. Okay, so the window is gonna go up to here. We've taken a look at it. So it's gonna go from there to about here. And it's gonna be a little bit easier because we're gonna make it flush with this side. So we're only gonna need a 2x6 on that side. This one's a little bit more complicated. There's more angles, but it's going in. It used to be a door. It is no more. It's kind of a door because it'll open, like, push out, so it's like a window door. It's pretty cool. Window door. I like it. Doing the patchwork. There's one piece here, one piece there. We're gonna put a little piece in there. Yeah. Then there is a patch here, this piece here, and then the last piece is gonna go in this corner right here. We're just starting to put the plywood on, so we're just mapping it out. ready to fly. Yay, to new wood. So we have 1, 2, 3 framed windows and a wall of plywood. So we'll try to see if we can finish this side tomorrow. Put some plywood on and some blue skin and stuff. So it was a good day. Good morning. Yesterday we had a bit of a mishap. Lufa over here, this little lady, hi. We went for a walk and she ended up, for some crazy reason, she found methamphetamines on the ground, which is insane. She ended up being really high. It was super scary. We brought her to the vet and they tested her urine and it was positive, and it was just like, what the hell? So be careful, watch your dogs, don't let them eat anything. I try to watch her as best as I can, but she is a little wild one. So anyhow, that was yesterday. So we didn't get to work on the boat yesterday at all because we had to watch her, make sure she was okay. What a trip for her and us. So today we are going to keep going with the windows. We're gonna keep framing, and hopefully within the next few days we'll be done with the putting the plywood on and the Tyvec and just have it sealed. So here we go. Today is gonna be the last day of rain. Tomorrow it's gonna be sunny, so we're still gonna work. Still gotta get things done. I'm really excited for water to stop leaking in my boat. It's happening. It's all happening very soon. We got some more plywood. It's coming along. Okay, so we're gonna router this window out. There's a little hole there. Just getting it ready. And we're gonna router that little one over there too. Nice. Woo! Looks good. The plywood is done. Well, it's not done. There's still like the front windows to do. But yeah, this part is done. So let me show you. There you go, another window framed. And all the plywood. This is the bathroom window and then the kitchen window. It just feels so good to put wood on the boat instead of taking it off. So yeah, it's super great. Let's look at the inside. Here is the biggest window of the entire boat. Then we have the bathroom window. So this is gonna be canceled. Canceled. Canceled part. And then we have this nice side window here, all framed, and the other side. Looking good. Now there's these three and the upstairs to be done, and that's it for the windows. So my task for the exterior is to take the paint off of the rails. Let me show you. So the rails are gray, but they are like chipping and stuff. So my task has been to grind them so that they become nice and smooth. See the paint there? And the reason why I'm doing this is because we're actually gonna paint them black. And when you paint them black, they don't show as much for some weird reason. So yeah, so we're going from gray to black. So it's a pretty tedious job and my hands are getting sore already, so I'm gonna suit up again and keep grinding away. Don't I look great? Finished this side of the rail here. It's looking pretty good. So yeah, I finished this side. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish off all of this. I'm gonna get started a little earlier because today I had a little bit of a late start. I had to go get some more plywood, so it just keeps going on and on. We'll see you tomorrow. We're getting ready for some blue. Scott's gonna cut it up and we're gonna wrap it around the boat. It's time to get it sealed. Here's some of the blue skin. We're gonna switch it up and do some Tyvec next. Water sealed.
Grab us a roll there or not?
I will. Looks good. Looks tight. Here it is. Got some Tyvec and some windows. Let's go check it out. You excited? Go see the boat? Come on, let's go see the boat. Come on, let's go. There it is. What a huge change. There's blue skin and Tyvec. Look at that. And I have some windows. We installed some windows. Doesn't it look nice? So awesome. What a huge change. Let's go to the other side. There's the back. And here's the other side. It looks so nice. It looks like a billboard. Then we put in the two windows here. So this is the kitchen window and the bathroom window. And then this one we'll do tomorrow. But yeah, she's looking sharp. Woof! Okay, let's go inside. So here's kitchen window. It opens all from the bottom, like that. Super cool. And this window here, it's kind of like a door window. Opens up to the side like this. Super cool. Then downstairs, got the biggest window here, and it also opens from the bottom like this. Super fun. It's getting a little dark, but this is the bathroom window, and it opens from the bottom too. Super neat. And last one is one of the front windows, and it also opens from the bottom like this. Anyways, that's it for today. Lots of Tyvec and one step closer to getting this done. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's such a beautiful day. So we finished part of the Tyvec in the back, and we put in some windows. I'm super excited because it's like really pushing forward. And yeah, if we can keep most of the water out, it'll be, if we can keep the water out, then we can like finish the inside. So, or I can get started on the inside. Maybe not finish it, but start it. All the windows are super cool. I'm very excited. So today's a new day. I'm gonna start grinding away, and we're gonna finish the 4 windows today. So we'll see how much I can get, but that's what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna grab my stuff to start grinding. I'll show you what I did yesterday. So this one, it's almost ready. I just have to do this side, the back side, if you could see it. Anyways, so this whole section is gonna be done. So it's ready for paint. So yeah, I just have to go down here. I think I'm gonna paint one section at a time, so that if ever it rains, then at least the section that I grinded is gonna be okay. So I'm gonna finish off this side. See the difference between the 2 sides? Yeah, it's gonna look great. So okay, I have to stop procrastinating. Gotta start working. So I got my mask, face shield, gloves, got my little grinder right here, which works really well. Makes my hands nice and strong. Let's get suited up. Look at that. I have windows. Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited. So yeah, we finished at least the bottom and 2 at the top. Look at that. Brand new. It looks so nice. Oof. I'm almost done grinding the rails. It's a new day. I started up early this morning. I did it for 2.5 hours. My hands are really sore, but there's too much sun. There's my little shade structure. I'll angle it so that I can finish this rail here. And then I can paint the whole front rails because I'm pretty much done. Yeah, it's going well. It's getting warm, so I'm gonna try to finish this before it gets too hot. And then I can paint everything black. I'm finally done. Wow. Want to see? Finally done the rails. Finally. It's hard to tell because it's a bit in the shade, but here. Finally finished. Just finished the front section though. So all of this part here, all ready to go. Let's go down here. Oh. It's all ready to be painted. All of this. My hands, my thumbs hurt so much. Finally, I got one section done. I have one, two, a bit more, but who cares? Because I'm done this one, so yay! Maybe I'll get to painting today. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I might get it done. It's a little bit later now. It's a little bit cooler. So I'm gonna go mix up some paint and paint the front rails. So we're gonna use the same paint as we used on the bottom of the boat and the side rails. So it's just gonna be that black gunky stuff. But we have to mix it because it's a two-part thing. Okay, I have my paint mixed up, my gloves. Let's get after these rails. I'm just going to take a rag and just kind of go over them to make sure that the dust is off. It's a beautiful night. Paint in my hair and then it whisked. Ugh. Anyways, that's what I get for painting. Anyways, do you want to see what it looks like? It looks great. Look at that. It looks like it just blends in. It looks so pretty. Look at the difference. New, old. I think she looks snazzy. Yeah, it looks great. Well, I'm done for today. I clearly need a shower. I had like dust all over me today, so it'll feel good to just rinse the day off. I worked hard today. I think I did a good job. Grinded some rails and painted them, so I'm excited. I like working hard, it feels good. So there you have it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing anything, but we'll let you know. Enjoy your night.